Okay, question asks how to fix inventory issue in the receiving. Your inventory is always out, sometimes over or sometimes a shortage. So what's going on? Here I would like to share the main point that's commonly happening in the inventory control. First is your receiving process. It could be short receipt of the products or extra products sent by your supplier, even the wrong products. So it can be also your receiving departments miscount the item. Everything coming in could be the root cause of the problems. So this is the very first step to address. All receiving come in must be counted case by case. When coming in as a palletized item, that may consist of multiple items. They came in and they just store in the exact item in pallets into the bin locations. So here I advise is to break down into pallets and re-palletize everything and count every single item. Is there any discrepancy? Report to the back office and sort out the discrepancy.